All aboard! Navigating Ports and Maritime Vocabulary. Hello, language learners! Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of water transportation, particularly focusing on ports and maritime vocabulary. This segment will be a great resource for you, whether you're interested in international travel, working in shipping, or simply broadening your English vocabulary. Ports are bustling hubs of activity, where goods and people come and go from across the globe. Let's talk about some key terms you'll hear when discussing ports. Port, a place where ships can load or unload cargo and passengers. Harbor, a protected body of water where ships, boats, and barges can be docked. Dock, the actual structure where a ship is berthed or parked. Berth, the space allotted for a ship to dock at a port. Quay, a concrete platform at the edge of the harbor where ships are loaded or unloaded. Next, let's move on to the vessels that make maritime transportation possible: ships and boats. Ship, a large vessel that is used for transporting people or goods by sea. Boat, a smaller vessel designed for traveling on water. Ferry, a boat or ship for conveying passengers and goods, especially over a relatively short distance. Cruise ship, a large ship that carries passengers on trips for pleasure, typically with stops at several different places. Freighter, a ship that carries goods. It is also known as a cargo ship. Understanding basic navigation terms can be helpful in comprehending conversations about maritime travel. Starboard, the right side of a ship when facing the front, or bow. Port side, the left side of a ship when facing the bow. Bow, the front of a ship. Stern, the rear of a ship. Deck, the top, flat surface of a ship that you can walk on. And that's our tour of ports and maritime vocabulary. By now, you should have a solid foundation to discuss water transportation, ships, and ports. Remember, learning is a voyage, and every new word you learn is a step further on your journey. I hope this video has been helpful. Keep sailing on, language learners. Note: remember, in real life or in more specific professional contexts, these definitions might be a bit more nuanced. However, these simplified explanations should be enough to get you started. Always continue learning and expanding your knowledge.